Babalikan ba namin 'to? First time namin kumain dito sa King Chef sa Alpaland, Makati, kaya super excited kami tikman kung ano ba ang meron dito. Pagpasok pa lang ramdam mo na agad yung authentic Chinese vibe ang ambience, very elegant at relaxing, perfect siya for family gatherings, barkada food trip o kahit business lunch. So let's go straight to the food. We tried some of the underrated dishes sa menu nila. For appetizer, we had the steamed seafood bundle, light, fresh at juicy. Perfect kung gusto mo ng something healthy pero flavorful. Tapos yung ham soy ko, crispy sa labas pero fluffy at savory sweet sa loob. For the soup, we had their A-Treasure soup, comforting at perfect pang share. Sobrang nagustuhan namin to. Syempre, hindi rin pwedeng palampasin ang garlic burst spare ribs. Sobrang flavorful at tender ng meat, madaling nguyain. Crispy edges from the garlic bits, added a crunchy contrast at tinernohan pa namin ng scallop fried rice na ang ganda ng balance ng lasa. Overall, sobrang nagustuhan namin ang first time experience namin dito sa King Chef. Masarap, sulit at ang dami pang dapat balikan. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng authentic Chinese food experience dito sa Makati, make sure to check out King Chef Alpaland. Ayun lang, bye!